Meaning of Keynesian.
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 Keynesian. Keynesian refers to the economic theories and policies of John Maynard Keynes, a British economist who lived in the early to mid-20th century. Keynesian economics emphasizes the importance of government intervention in the economy, particularly during times of economic downturn or recession. Keynesian policies include government spending on public works programs, lowering interest rates to encourage investment, and increasing the money supply to stimulate consumer spending. The term Keynesian is often used to describe economists or policymakers who support these principles.